welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day today. I am so excited to be organizing my fridge with you guys today. I have been wanting to do this for so long. However, the initial startup is kind of pricey. It's like kind of pricey to invest in all of the organizing bins and everything. However, I finally got myself to bite the bullet because I convinced myself how after you get them, you have them forever and you shouldn't have to buy them again as long as, you know, you're easy on them and don't break them or anything. So I finally did it. I finally got all the bins that I've been wanting for so long, and I'm so excited to organize my fridge with you guys today. So I'm gonna start off by showing you guys the bins that I got, and then we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into this. So I ordered all of my bins off of Amazon. I'm gonna link them all down below for you guys. And then I also have some bins in my fridge that I've just been using over the years. I actually got some of these at a garage sale, and I have some Dollar Tree bins in there. I don't know what I'm gonna end up using, but I'm gonna show you guys everything just to be safe. So like I said, I'll link all of this down below for you guys, but I got 2 of these larger organizing bins. I already have, I think 2 of these are one of them. I'm not exactly sure, but I only got 2 of those for that reason. And then I got 4, these are soda can organizers. And then 4 of these smaller organizers. They're about half the size of this one. And I think they're perfect for snackier items like granola bars that you have to put in the fridge, yogurt, cheese sticks, things like that. I got 2 egg organizers, and then I also bought some of these Rubbermaid Freshworks produce savers. I don't know how these work. I've never used them before, so I'm hoping that they're gonna work because these were honestly, I think, the priciest items I purchased. But the one set came with 2 large ones and this medium, and then I bought this smaller one separate. And now that I'm like seeing them in person, I'm almost thinking I wish I got a few more of the smaller ones because they're perfect for like strawberries, blueberries, everything like that, and less of the larger ones because I feel like I'm only gonna need 1 large one, but we will see. We'll make it work. Okay, so before we jump into this, here is the before of my fridge. You can see it's a mess. I can hardly ever find anything. It really needs to be organized and it's just a mess. I haven't cleaned it since like Christmas time. So we're gonna give this a good scrub.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me?
So while I am unloading the fridge, I just wanted to take a second and say hi and welcome if you're new here. My name's Tristina and I post mommy and lifestyle videos Monday and Friday for you guys. I am a stay-at-home mom to 2 little boys, a 4-year-old named Brayden and my almost 1-year-old named Tristan. And I do just a lot of different organizing, cleaning, decor videos, food videos, everything like that on here. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, it would mean the world to me if you join my YouTube family.
When you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak, maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober.
So now that we have the fridge cleared out, when it comes to cleaning the fridge, I am actually just using some Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray and paper towels to get my fridge cleaned. However, if I had anything like sticky in there, what I usually will use is Barkeeper's Friend and a dish sponge and just scrub at it with the Barkeeper's Friend, and it typically always comes right out just like that.
We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be if I leave tonight? We could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
So when it came to organizing, I'm just starting with the more obvious ones first. Obviously my eggs are gonna go in the egg carton, and then I had like certain snacks that I knew were gonna go in certain areas. I just wanted to use up the ones that, like I said, I knew what I was gonna put in them. That way I kind of could see what I had left over.
Meant to be expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds.
So I have been using these Rubbermaid containers for about a week now. I wanted to use them for a little while before I got this video up so I could tell you guys about them, and so far I'm really liking them. I do wish I got some more, especially of this size. You guys are gonna see at the end I do have a few things that aren't in containers, like my broccoli and my carrots, and so I definitely would have liked to get a few more to be able to put everything in. But I think for the most part it worked out, and I was able to get, the majority of what we eat, like snacky wise, in here. That way I don't have to cut up the produce when it's time for the kids to eat. I've been reaching for fruit and stuff more often than I typically would, so all in all I have been really loving these containers.
I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste.
Oh, and as I'm cutting up these peppers, I can't forget to mention how much easier it has made dinner prep. Oh my goodness, having these peppers cut. I made sausage and peppers and onions in the crock pot one night, and then I put like extra onions in with the peppers in this container. So then I had chicken fajitas ready to go one night. All I had to do was, cut the chicken and season the chicken. So it has just made life so much easier.
Baby, we should start living now. Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet. trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful.
So here is what we ended up with at the end. It is so much more functional, so much more organized, and I am so happy with the way it turned out.
Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet.
Now that the fridge is done, I figured we would clean up my kitchen together. I made quite a mess getting all of that organized.
I used to let it in, all the things you said. You try to turn me into somebody else, but it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful.
That is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you got some inspiration to organize your fridge. If it's something that has been on your list, I am just telling you guys, go for it. You're gonna feel so much better at the end. It's gonna make it so much more functional and you are just gonna love it. So I definitely recommend doing your fridge if it's been on your list. I hope you guys have a great day. And please don't forget to press the subscribe button if you haven't already, so that way you will get notified when I post my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.